Hi viewers, today I'm gonna unbox Xeon Smooth X and Xeon Smooth XS, which is affordable and budget smartphone gimbals. First, I'm gonna unbox Xeon Smooth XS, which is inside the box for Xeon Smooth XS. Yes, the gimbal and stand. There is a small pouch for this one and Type-C cable. Have to unlock and nicely unfold the device. Price range around $50 to $70. Are you a beginner? Are you a vlogger looking for a cheap and affordable smartphone gimbal? This is for you. These gimbals actually 2-axis stabilization with Type-C charging port. And around 1 feet you can extend and download the application ZY Open the app and sign up with your email, and here we go. Connect with the gimbal. This gimbal stabilize as per the video here and not stabilize from the tilt. And we are going to open Smooth X. And as per the video, you have to carefully unfold the device. Both options with Type-C charging. Yes, inside the box there is gimbal and the Type-C cable. Also, Smooth X and Smooth XS, you can extend up to 1 feet. There is 5-way joystick and record button and photo click button. In the sides you can see zoom in and zoom out buttons. For more videos, subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.